Here from Daily Crypto Chasing. Let's come to you live from Vietnam. Good morning to you all out there. It's a great time to be alive. We're seeing most of the crypto markets are pumping, as I said in the intro. So that is fantastic. That is great. We're going to be talking about, are there whales about to dump Dogecoin, and could this send the Dogecoin price crashing to the ground, guys? We're going to be talking about DXY. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of catalysts, and one of the biggest catalysts for Dogecoin that we could be seeing. Also, we're going to talk about, is Luna Classic better than Doge, or is Dogecoin better than Luna Classic, guys? So if that sounds interesting, let's get ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house, guys. It is a great time to be alive. So let's get into it. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just the OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm absolutely not a licensed financial advisor. So let's jump into it, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, gingerly smash the likes, tickle the likes, show some love out there, and super chats and super thanks. I would be very much appreciated. Show some support, show some love for the channel. I would appreciate it, guys and gals. So right now we're seeing some amazing news for the DXY. Right now we're seeing the DXY right now is down about almost 2%. And you know, one of the reasons that we're seeing the DXY go down is because of the fact that the unemployment rate in the US has gone up, and that's weakened the dollar a little bit. So that is going to be very, very good for the crypto markets. So that is very good. We're also seeing a lot of shorts, a lot of leverage shorts are getting wrecked right now. So we're seeing a little bit of a short squeeze. Who doesn't love a short squeeze out there? Everybody loves a short squeeze, and that is why we're seeing the crypto markets going uppity up. Let's jump into what's going on with Bitcoin right now, and then we'll jump into the Dogecoin news. So right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is really much unchanged from this morning here in Vietnam, and we're still seeing that Dogecoin is still at Bitcoin is still at $21,291, and it's just been kind of hovering sideways for around about 8 hours. Just been hovering sideways, really not much happening. Remember, we're getting into the weekend, so volumes are going to be a little bit less out there. We're also seeing that the Bitcoin on the weekly is looking very good. We're seeing that right now the total market cap. Let me just give this a minty refresh out there. So we are seeing that the total market cap right now is looking fairly decent out there, and it's up 3.24%. And we're heading in terms of total volume and total market cap right now about 1.06 trillion. So things are looking pretty good overall. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up over 3%, so that's not too bad. We're seeing Ethereum is up 3.89%. We're seeing BNB is up almost 1% out there. We're seeing XRP is up as well, and Doge right now is up 7%. The market cap is over $17 billion. We're still up 21% for the whole year, so that's not too bad. And don't forget, look at Polygon. Polygon is going crazy out there. And I did touch about that this morning. And one of the reasons is that the integration of Polygon for minting NFTs on Instagram. That's part of Meta, right? Part of Facebook. So that news is what is really propelling Polygon-matic to all-time highs, guys. So we can see all-time highs coming in for Polygon-matic sooner than later. So that's pretty good, guys. So keep an eye on that. But we could expect a little bit of retracement down for Polymatic. That often happens. Let's see what's going on with the leverage apes right now. So the amount of wreckage out there is insane in the membrane. We're seeing about $243 million worth of wreckage out there, and this is leverage traders who are trading, and that money is gone. Once you leverage trade, it's out of there. If you spot trade, and you don't leverage trade, one Doge is still $1. So that's why dollar cost averaging and buying and hodling, wait for life changing wealth is so important out there. And we're seeing around about $9.56 million worth of Doge has been lost to leverage traders out there. And we're seeing right now in the next 24 hours, we're seeing a lot of shorts. So that is telling me and telling you out there that we're going to see the price of Doge and everything going up. So let's jump into the news right now. What is going on? Why Twitter could prove to be one of the ultimate catalysts for a Musk-backed catalyst for the $1 Doge dream. So everyone's been talking about the $1 Doge, and it's absolutely going to be happening, because what Elon Musk wants to do out there is he wants to create this super app. And now let's just take a look at WeChat business model. Basically, we're seeing that WeChat has a couple of revenue streams: advertising, WeChat payments, and value-added services. And from from the super chat perspective, what that was super app perspective, what that is allowing, you can see that right now, basically there's advertisers and the, what WeChat allows is messaging, video messaging, shopping, and payments. So that is what Elon Musk wants to do. However, WeChat out there does not include crypto payments. So Elon Musk wants to definitely integrate Dogecoin out there as being one of the payment methods, and that is why you're thinking that this is going to be one of the catalysts that is going to be sending Dogecoin to the moon. And guys, the $1 is a reality. It is absolutely going to happen. It's just a matter of time. I'm seeing 30 cents coming in hopefully by the end of this year. I hope it's going to happen. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. Also, this coming in right now, we're seeing that popular crypto analyst details a potential Dogecoin rally and dives deep into DXY. So I talked about DXY. Right now, we can see that DXY is still clinging to the 1180 level. And if we can see the DXY going down to 109, this is going to be huge. And we can see that next week coming down. And this confluence could be very massive for cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency could be taking off. So from the Dogecoin perspective, this is some key levels that we need to get ourselves above. You can see here. Let me just pop that up for you. Let me pop it up. So this is really a key level that we need Dogecoin to get to. And if you take a look at here, that Dogecoin has these key levels here. And if we can break above the 1259 area and stay above that for potentially a long period of time, we're going to see Dogecoin absolutely breaking out, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with the Doge right now. So right now, at time of recording, let me get my face out of there. Let me clean up this chart out there. Let me get pointer. Come on. So we can see right now that Dogecoin right now is at the 1259 level. So as I did tell you in this chart here, we do need Dogecoin to break above that and kind of get into this confluence area here. So we are just in that confluence zone on the 1 hour chart. So that is looking pretty good. And the thing that's kind of interesting, if you guys can see here, we have this W pattern that formed. We broke up. We consolidated, created another W pattern, and I believe we're going to be creating another W pattern here, and that's going to take us higher and higher. And I think that we could be seeing 13 to 14 cents coming in, maybe by Monday. So it looks like we're having a consistent pattern, but you can see that we're painting higher highs and higher lows. So that is pretty good, guys. So we're seeing higher lows, and we're seeing that the trajectory of Dogecoin is going in the right direction. So that is pretty cool beans out there. What is coming in right now, we're seeing that a Dogecoin trader explains why shorting Doge now makes sense. So some people are saying that you should short the Doge. I think you should not be shorting Doge. Actually, do not short the Doge. It's actually a very, very bad idea. So some people are saying that Dogecoin is overbought and we could see corrections happening. And but I think that the correction has already been in. I think that Dogecoin has already corrected down. We can see here's the pump. This is when Dogecoin. We saw Dogecoin, the announcement that Twitter was not going to have the crypto wallets, and that's what it calls the dump yesterday. So we can see here. Let me just clean this chart. Let me clean up the chart. So you can see here, guys and gals, you can see here yesterday that was the dump that we had yesterday, and then we had a nice recovery. We're seeing also a nice recovery, and we're just below our resistance of 1281 out there. So I'm not too concerned about Dogecoin right now, and I think that we're going to be painting higher highs and higher lows. So that is very good, and I think Dogecoin will break itself above 14 cents. I think it's going to happen by the weekend, guys. So from that perspective, so a lot of people are saying, look, it's oversold. It's not looking too good out there. Initially, when Elon Musk announced the Twitter deal, we did see a lot of whales were unloading their Dogecoin announcement, where Elon Musk was buying Twitter, and we saw a big spike in whale transactions. But now we're seeing that the whale transactions are going down, down. So most of that selling has been done, and whales have taken their profit. So from that perspective, I'm still feeling pretty confident out there that we should be looking okay. A lot of retail investors getting back into the Doge, so that is pretty good out there. So as we get more retail investors going back into the Doge community and back on the exchanges, we're going to be seeing that the price of Doge is definitely going to be making some moving. Luna's better or Dogecoin is better? Well, according to this article, it looks like Dogecoin is still taking the lead, and Dogecoin is better than Luna Classic. But Luna Classic is not bad according to this article, but definitely, but they do call Luna Classic a meme coin out there. So it looks like Luna Classic has been confirmed as a meme coin. What do you guys think? Do you think Luna Classic is a meme coin? But definitely they're saying that Dogecoin has more upside and it is a better meme coin out there. Because remember, Dogecoin is the king of memes. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. So what does Elon Musk Twitter layoffs mean for censorship? So as you guys know, that Elon Musk, kicked everybody out, but it looks like most of the employees that were fired in their most recent round are from the content moderation team. So a lot of people have been speculating that nobody's moderating Twitter right now, and people are gonna go nuts, and it's gonna affect the midterms and all of that, guys. Let it be, guys. Let everybody have their opinions. Some opinions are going to be good. Some opinions are going to be bad. Bitcoin has bottomed out in June, and we could be seeing a nice explosive move to the upside. We're seeing now, if we take a look at the daily Bollinger Bands for Bitcoin, we're looking at something pretty similar to the 2012 fracture out there. And after that, we follow a massive, massive bull run. So this is bullish, guys. So guys and gals, if you guys love the Doge, like I love the Doge, you've got to go to Twitter. You've absolutely got to go to Twitter, and you've got to start tweeting out about Dogecoin. You just got to start doing it, guys. Let's get it, guys. Let's absolutely get it. What else is coming in? This is kind of interesting as well. Seeing a cyclic bottom, seeing massive bull run follows. That's going to bring this video to a close. Don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate follow. And right now we have around about 4,952 followers. So can we get this up to 5,000? I would appreciate it. Don't forget to go check out the linky links down below. The links are here. I mean, you can see them over there. We've got the Dogecoin tippy chart. Send some love our way, and don't forget super chats and super thanks. We all, guys, jump in, get the merch. I would appreciate it. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Be well, be blessed, be peaceful out there. I'll see you in the next one.